Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today we are going to have a simple English conversation about talking about hobbies.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Robert, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like many things, but my favorite hobby is cooking.
Cooking is a great hobby. You can eat your hobby too.
Yes, that is the best part. My hobby is warm and delicious.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook simple food. I often make eggs, rice, and chicken.
That sounds good. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I am too tired after work.
I understand after a long day, cooking can feel hard.
Yes, but on weekends, I enjoy it more.
Do you cook alone or with other people?
I usually cook alone, but I like cooking with friends too.
Cooking with friends is fun. You can talk and laugh.
Yes, and someone else can wash the dishes.
That is very smart. Is washing dishes your least favorite part?
Yes, it is. Dishes are not a fun hobby.
Maybe we need a dishwashing hobby club.
No, thank you. I will not join that club.
Fair enough. My hobby is reading.
That is nice. What do you like to read?
I like short stories and simple books.
Do you read every night?
Sometimes, yes, I read before I go to sleep.
That sounds peaceful. Does reading help you relax?
Yes, it does. It makes my mind quiet.
I need that. My mind is noisy at night.
Then you should try reading a simple book.
Good idea. But I may fall asleep after one page.
That is okay. The book will still be there tomorrow.
True books are very patient.
Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Walking is simple and healthy. I like it too.
I like walking because I can think clearly.
Do you walk in the morning or evening?
Usually in the evening, the weather is cooler then.
That sounds nice. Do you listen to music while you walk?
Yes, I do. Music makes walking more fun.
What kind of music do you like?
I like relaxing music. I also like happy songs.
Happy songs are good for a walk.
Yes, sometimes I walk faster when the song is fast.
Do you dance while you walk?
Maybe a little, but only when no one is watching.
I think someone is always watching.
Then I hope they enjoy the show.
That is a good attitude.
What about you? Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Oh, nice. What do you take photos of?
I take photos of flowers, food, and the sky.
The sky is a good subject. It changes every day.
Exactly. Sometimes the sky looks like a painting.
Do you use a camera or your phone?
I usually use my phone. It is easy to carry.
That makes sense. Phone photos can look very good.
Yes, and I can take a photo quickly.
Do you post your photos online?
Sometimes, yes, but I mostly keep them for myself.
That is nice. Photos can help us remember small moments.
Yes, a cup of coffee can become a nice memory.
My coffee never has time to become a photo
Why not?
because I drink it too fast.
That sounds like you.
Yes, coffee is not safe near me.
Do you like sports as a hobby?
A little. I like badminton, but I am not very good.
That is okay. Hobbies do not need to be perfect.
I agree. I play for fun, not for a prize.
Who do you play with?
I play with my cousin sometimes.
Do you win?
Sometimes, yes, but he says he lets me win.
Do you believe him?
No, I do not. I think I am secretly amazing.
That is very confident.
Thank you. Confidence is my second hobby.
My second hobby is drawing.
Really? What do you like to draw?
I like to draw small pictures. I draw cats, cups, and houses.
That sounds cute. Are you good at drawing cats?
Maybe my cats sometimes look like potatoes.
Potato cats sound wonderful.
They are special cats. They do not run very fast.
I would like to see one.
Maybe I can draw one for you.
Please do. I will put it on my fridge.
That would be funny. My potato cat will be famous.
Very famous? at least in my kitchen.
Do you ever try new hobbies?
Yes, but I stop quickly sometimes
Why do you stop?
because I get excited first, then I get busy.
That happens to many people.
Yes, I bought a small guitar last year.
Really? Can you play it?
I can play 3 sounds. 2 of them are bad.
That is still a start.
Yes, a very small start.
Do you want to practice more?
Maybe, yes. I like music, but I need patience.
Patience is important for hobbies.
It is. I want to be good on day one.
Everyone wants that, but hobbies take time.
True. Cooking was hard at first, too.
What happened when you first cooked?
I burned the rice. The kitchen smelled sad.
The kitchen smelled sad? That is a funny way to say it.
It was true. Even the pot looked disappointed.
But now you can cook better.
Yes, much better. I learned slowly.
That is a good lesson for any hobby.
Yes. Start small and keep going.
Do you have a hobby you want to try this year?
I want to try gardening.
Gardening is lovely. You can grow plants at home.
Yes, I want to grow herbs in small pots.
That is a good idea. Herbs are useful for cooking.
Exactly. My cooking hobby and garden hobby can be friends.
That sounds perfect.
What hobby do you want to try?
I want to try painting.
That sounds creative. Do you have paint at home?
Not yet. I only have pencils and paper.
That is okay. You can start with simple things.
Yes, maybe I can paint flowers first.
Good idea. Flowers do not complain.
True, but my flowers may look like soup.
Then you can call it flower soup art.
That sounds modern and expensive.
Very expensive. I will not be able to buy it.
Don't worry. For you, the first painting is free.
Thank you. I feel very special.
Do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, I do. Hobbies make life more fun.
I agree. They help us relax after a busy day.
They also help us learn about ourselves.
That is true. We can find out what we enjoy.
And we can meet people with the same hobby.
Yes, a book club, a sports club, or a cooking class.
A cooking class sounds nice. I can learn new dishes.
And maybe someone else washes the dishes there.
Now I really like that idea.
Do you prefer hobbies at home or outside?
I like both. At home is comfortable, but outside is fresh.
That is a good answer.
What about you?
I like hobbies at home on rainy days.
Yes, rainy days are perfect for reading.
And sunny days are perfect for taking photos.
So the weather chooses your hobby.
Sometimes, yes, the sky is my hobby manager.
That is funny. My stomach is my cooking manager.
Your stomach has a very important job.
It does. It sends many messages.
What message is it sending now?
It says, please make dinner soon.
We are talking about hobbies, and you are thinking about dinner.
Cooking is my hobby, so dinner is research.
That is a smart excuse.
Thank you. I use it often.
What do you do when you have no time for hobbies?
I do something small. I cook a simple meal or take a short walk.
That is good. A hobby can be just 10 minutes.
Yes, it does not have to be a big activity.
I sometimes read only 2 pages.
That still counts. 2 pages are better than 0 pages.
Exactly. Small hobbies can still make us happy.
I like that. Small happy moments are important.
Do you ever feel bored with a hobby?
Sometimes, yes. Then I take a short break.
That is healthy. We do not need to force it.
Right. A hobby should feel nice, not stressful.
I agree. It should not feel like homework.
Unless your hobby is doing homework.
I do not know many people with that hobby.
Me neither. That sounds very rare.
What hobby would you recommend to beginners?
I would recommend walking. It is simple and free.
That is a great choice. You only need comfortable shoes.
Yes. And maybe water if it is hot.
I would recommend reading short stories.
Good idea. Short stories are not too scary.
Yes, and you can finish one quickly.
Finishing something feels good.
It does. It gives you a small, happy feeling.
Maybe I will read a short story tonight.
Great. And I will try to cook something new this weekend.
What will you cook?
Maybe pasta. It looks easy, but I know it can be tricky.
Pasta is a good start. Just do not forget the salt.
Thank you, Chef Robert.
You're welcome. I only burned rice, not pasta.
That makes me feel very safe.
Good. My cooking advice is slowly improving.
Maybe hobbies also give us funny stories.
Yes, many funny stories, especially when we are beginners.
That is why starting a hobby can be fun.
Yes, we can laugh and learn at the same time.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
What is your favorite hobby?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, and enjoy your hobbies.